Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of verification code not received. So first of all, if you are trying to get a verification code, whether that be from your email or simply your phone, here are the ways that you can try to fix it. First of all, if it's by email, you have to go to your settings and clear the cache of your email. So select apps and simply type in Gmail or email and clear the cache. At times, when you have a lot going on in your application, new emails might not get through. And also make sure to check your email spam folder and see if the code has been sent there. If it's a phone problem, for example, you are waiting for code in your device, make sure that you are not on DND or do not disturb mode, and make sure that the airplane mode is not turned on. If you are trying to get it in your SIM card in your phone, you have to ensure that the SIM card works and you have some connection going on right here. Likewise, try a few steps that I mentioned. Restart your device, try it again, and it will definitely work.